Mark, we appreciate your time today.
That's fine.
Outdoor kitchens. What sets LimeTree Alfresco apart?
Look, I think there's a few things that set us apart. Number one, and this is the feedback I get from a lot of our clients. Number one is the fact that we have industry-leading warranty periods. I'll give you an example. Our cabinetry is unique. You get a 25-year warranty on your cabinetry, even if it's in the middle of your backyard with no cover whatsoever.
Wow.
We're the only people who do that.
That's amazing.
And it's really because of the materials that we use. That looks exactly like your normal indoor kitchen, but it's highly compressed PVC board.
Yeah.
You can hose that out.
Yes.
It is 100% waterproof and it's there for life. There's no timber in the construction, there's no steel. So everything that we use is guaranteed. There is a 10-year warranty on your Corian, which is because it's an outdoor rated area. So and once again, that 10 years was if it's outside in the sun and the rain. So whereas most of the kitchens we do are under some form of cover, you've got a lifetime of outdoor entertaining in this. Once again, our panels and our fronts, 10 years.
Yeah.
Even the screws that hold the cabinets together, Tom, are 316 marine grade stainless steel screws, designed for for yachting and things like that. So it's the fact that it is there for a long period of time. Our warranties back it up. We only use products that will give you a good long warranty, and they're all designed for outdoors.
What about custom solutions? Is that what you specialise in?
Well, that's really what we're about. We've done over 1,000 kitchens in Victoria and up here. Not 2 of those are the same. So every single, there's nothing modular about it at all. It's all about your area, your needs, your wants, and we'll build your kitchen for you.
Fantastic. If you're looking for an outdoor kitchen, get in touch with LimeTree Alfresco today and pop in and meet them here at the Build and Design Centre 7 days a week.
Looking forward to it.